Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here in Missoula, Montana at Brett's RV and Marine. And I had a chance to get a quick tour of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine that I wanted to share with you. So here it is. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
I'd like to introduce you to the Imagine Grand Design product. My name is Todd Green from Brett's RV in Missoula, Montana. If you've done much research, you're going to find that Grand Design is one of the best-selling, best constructed trailers on the market. The first things is it's a full fiberglass sided aluminum frame trailer. It's fully enclosed underbelly, which means it's heated for later in the fall, earlier in the spring type camping. One of the things that Grand Design does, especially better than most, is the 3-year structural warranty. It also has a 5-year warranty, 1 year full on the tires, and the axle is also a 5-year warranty. For our kind of camping in the western United States, northwest Montana, you need to have a rugged built trailer. One of the things that I'd like to explain to you Grand Design has done is anywhere they put a corner together, the aluminum studs, instead of screwing it in to aluminum, it's actually they stuff each aluminum stud with wood. So the screw is going in and biting into wood on the corners. Also, it's double sealed. You will have a Mylar tape on every corner, as most trailers do. Grand Design goes one step further. They put a 6-inch or 4 to 6 inch wide Mylar tape, which I liken it to a Gorilla Tape is the easiest way to explain it. Every corner, every roof seam is double sealed. We have no leaking, we have no delamination problems with Grand Design products at all. Everywhere that Grand Design puts a screw through the wall, this is my magnetic name tag. They actually put a galvanized steel plating laminated into the wall behind the fiberglass. So all the screws are going into a galvanized steel plate. With Grand Design products in the Imagine, they have a system called Compass Connect. This is where you young kids and that use your phones, you can run the slide outs, you can do the lights, you can do all that from your phone. This still has a button that I can push, put the slide out in and out. So it's good for both of us. One thing while we're here, these are all hidden hinges. Grand Design does a great job with their wood. You have no hinges sticking out. One of the major things I mentioned about construction was that galvanized plating in behind where screws go. So anywhere, again, my magnetic name tag, anywhere that they put a screw into the wall, the cabinet, the valance has galvanized backing in behind it. So this is going to hold together through all the washboardy chuck hole roads that you're going to hit. Grand Design uses the Thomas Paine furniture. For some of you that want to not rough it, this is a recliner, a wall hugger. You do have heat and you do have massage. So if you like to rough it, just don't turn the heat or massage on. This particular floor plan weighs about 5,200 pounds. 23 MLE, very popular, nice slide out, full walk around queen bed. You have storage under the bed with an extra drawer even, so they maximize the storage. Full length queen bed, 60 by 80. On each side of the bed you have little places for your phone, all USB ports on each side, your water, whatever you may need, reading lights. Height 6'4", good ceiling height, and ducted air conditioning. So it is a racetrack air conditioning, and it shuts off obviously automatically with a thermostat. The new Furrion stove has backlighting, 3-burner stove and oven. One of the nice things about this new stove and oven is you can actually light the oven from here, not have to use a match. Nice pull-out drawers, all solid wood, metal gliding drawers, and then your sink. You have the full farmer sink with a nice little strainer here, cutting board. Again, one other important feature that Grand Design does is there are no heat ducts in the floor. So here's your heat ducts coming out from the sides, from underneath. Again, that eliminates dog hair, cat hair, food, dust. Every time you turn the furnace on, the dust would poof out of those in-floor ducted heat. So this is all around the outside. As you do your research with Grand Design, you'll see that the construction and the quality is there. Come see us at Brett's RV. My name is Todd Green, Todd at brettsrv.com. And I'd like to show you some more features on this particular unit. Thank you.